go. Okay, time for a quick walk around and inspection under the light, show you the defects. So the car's been washed, decontaminated, dried, taped up. Let's show you. Won't take long. Look how tiny it is. Ooh. Okay, so some pretty hefty marring down the sides. Some of this is from the clay bar, some of this is existing, but you can see some buffer trails down the bottom there around the light. That's common across the whole of the car, unfortunately. Some pretty deep marks that follow the line of the window. There you can see them. On the little tailgate here. A little bit hefty. The rear bumper has been painted. There's a bit of poor textures going on around here. Some sanding marks left in it too. Some scoring. Buffer trails again. Along the driver's side, all looks well. Until buffer trails and swells. So this whole side's had to go over. Still need to tape up this trim. Just thought I'd film this bit quickly before I get carried away and forget. Along the door, buffer trails, and look, quite a big patch here. And down here, see that white patch? Overspray. So a bit more investigation, find out what's going on here. Could just be there was overspray there and they've buffed it off of a rotary. We'll find out. On the bonnet. And the bumper. Quite a bad bird bomb itch in there. Give that a good go in a little while. Okay, so I've finished taping up, get polishing. there's the Fiat 500 all finished after its major enhancement detail. So the dual stage machine polish to cut back the defects and then refine it to lift all the gloss and clarity, and looks pretty sharp. Paintwork's been protected with WaxedShine PPS Pro ceramic coating, a 5-year 9H coating. The wheels have come off, been coated inside and out. Arch line is all cleaned, dressed, protected. The exterior glass has been protected also. Engine bay and interior have had a once over, so clean and address. Thanks again for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Maybe leave a comment, share it to a friend who might have a Fiat 500 that wants to look this glossy. And I'll see you on the next one.